Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and today in this video we are at Meridian Splendora residential project which is located in Paikpara, Kolkata. So this project is very much near to Dum Dum Metro Station. It is spread across 1.91 acres of land and carries two number of blocks with G+14 and G+18 number of floors. It has 80% open space and it offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK homes for the residents. So as here in this video you can see it's an ongoing residential project by Meridian Group located in one of the posh locality. So this way leads towards metro station. And here you can see the project towers from the main road. This is the main entrance. Now here you can take a view of the natural water body which is in between these two blocks, one we are showing you right now. So there are two blocks in this project and in between them this is a natural water body which you can see right now. And now here we will give you the interior view of model flat. So we have entered into the apartment and here you can take a view of living cum dining hall, very spacious. And here in front you can see the dining space with an attached balcony. So this project is located at a convenient location and is very close to basic civic utilities. And now we are heading towards the kitchen. So here you can see the modular kitchen, finely crafted with efficient space. And next we have the first bedroom. Beautiful interior has been done. So this is the first bedroom with an attached balcony. Next we have the common washroom. And now I'm taking you into kids room. So it's a thoughtfully designed flat with airy interior. Now we have entered into the master bedroom. So the room is quite spacious and it also has an attached washroom, very well fitted with ultra modern sanitary fittings. So this we have shown you the interior view of a model flat of Meridian Splendora. Now here you can take a view of project model. So as in this project model you can see these are the two blocks. And here you can take a view of gymnasium. So it's getting ready. The construction work is going on in full swing. So this is the modern gymnasium provided in this project to sharpen up your fitness. And here we are giving you the interior view of clubhouse. And this is the kids play area. So friends, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.